Hey, fifth grade. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great week so far. I am back home. I feel like I've been all over recently, but I am back home for Hangouts today. Today's going to kind of be a little bit different. I didn't post anything until this morning, because I wanted you to be surprised. So today was the day that we had scheduled to go to Topeka on our field trip. So Miss Lavelle and I are super bummed that we can't take you. But we're going to do the next best thing, and that is a virtual field trip. So I have some resources here. There's two videos, and then there's a website that has a lot of information. And you're going to use these resources to answer some questions on a scavenger hunt. So the scavenger hunt has lots of questions that if you watch the videos and look online, it answers as you go, and it puts it in order. I didn't try to make it too difficult for you, so you can just have fun learning about the Capitol and learning about some things that you would have if we would have gone to Topeka today. I do have another surprise for you if you finish this assignment. Because remember, you only have to work 45 minutes every day. So if this one is taking you a ton longer, work for 45 and then you can be done. But if you do get it done, I'm going to mail something to you. I have something Topeka field trip related that I will mail to your house if you get this accomplished. Along with that, for our Hangouts today, we're going to be working on the scavenger hunt together. So come, if you have these two videos already watched when you come, that'll make it a lot easier. But we will go ahead and probably just start working on the online website questions in case we haven't watched the videos yet, because you do have to watch those to answer some of the questions. So come to Hangouts at 9 or 1 if you want to. And we'll work together, get that knocked out. Don't forget about your journal. This is the last one of the year, as crazy as that is. So you can turn it in when you're done. As soon as I see that it's submitted, I'll go ahead and grade it, and you'll be done with journal for the rest of fifth grade. I think that's all I have to tell you today. Hop on. It's going to be a fun day. I hope you learned something new. Yeah. Happy Wednesday, guys. 5 more days of school. 6 more days of school. Sorry, cutting it short. 6 more days. I'm excited to see you.